Škoda introduced the all-new Fabia Monte Carlo. This edition now completes the new 4th generation Fabia range. The special Monte Carlo edition will be available with 4 engines with power outputs ranging from 80 PS to 150 PS. Visually, you will notice the Monte Carlo model by the sporty looking details such as the gloss black grille, the model's specific front and rear aprons, a black rear diffuser and black alloy wheels in sizes from 16 up to 18 inches. The Monte Carlo badges are located on the sides and model lettering is finished in gloss black too. Look at the interior reveals the sporty character of this car. Inside you will see a lot of red elements, sports 3-spoke steering wheel and model specific digital cockpit, which is optional and comes with a special Monte Carlo view. The range topping engine has an output of 150 PS and together with the 7-speed DSG as standard accelerates the car from 0 to 100 in 8 seconds and top speed is 225 km/h. Tell me in the comments how do you like this model and subscribe for more.